Hello crafters, my name's Jolene and today we're going to be unboxing the Epson 2760 EcoTank printer. After searching YouTube and the internet, I believe this will be the perfect printer for my budget, possibly yours. Stick around, let's see what's inside. This printer comes with the instructions, the power cable, and the factory ink. But today we're not going to be using Epson ink. We're going to be using Printer's Jack ink that I purchased from Amazon. This is specifically for sublimation printing. We have magenta, yellow, black, cyan, and it even came with some syringes. Alright, first thing we need to do is remove all this blue tape that keeps everything secure during shipping. We have a couple pieces back here. Looks like one on each side to start with. Lift this up, there's nothing in here, but we do have a piece back here. Grab that, remove, just, there we go. That's some side pieces. Start with these ones on the side here. Move to the front here. Oh, there we go. I was wondering where this last one went. Okay, now we got all the blue tape pulled off. Let's pour in some ink. Based on the research that I've done, there's one of two ways that we can get the ink into here. First is to use the syringes that the Printer Jack ink came with. I'm not going to use that option because I feel like it's a little too messy and time consuming. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Epson bottles that the printer came with. I'm going to dump these out. Make sure you rinse the bottles really good. And then I'm going to replace it with the Printer Jack ink inside here because this bottle, the Epson one, has a specific housing that will go right into this printer. What you need to do is take your original Epson ink bottles. We're going to remove the factory ink. Make sure we thoroughly rinse and dry these bottles out. Then we're going to take our Sublimation ink. We're going to pour it into the original bottle color match. Then we're going to show you how to pour it into the tank. Alright crafters, let's fill up the tank. We're going to lift the cover, flip up the top. We're going to pull this cap up right here. Then we're going to take our color specific ink and insert it into the proper housing. Alright, and we're filling her up. Alright crafters, now that our tank is full, you're going to want to plug it in, power it on, and follow the step-by-step instructions and the Start Here manual. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please hit that bell notification to follow me on my crafting journey.